welcome back to another video where today we are with the Dell Dimension E521 once again. This isn't your usual startup video though. This video is joined by
Project 39
and PJ Second Games.
So yeah, this is a little bit of a unique video with the Dell Dimension. Anyways, we're going to try this more professional kind of style here because our videos have been getting 100 views. And we are very happy with that because we were making these videos, we were starting to edit them again. So since all my bus stuff, that's very happy, makes me very happy because I was getting an average of 500 views a video before. So this is going to be amazing. So guys, over here is the Dell, and we're going to pop off the side panel. You pull this little latch back like that, and it should come right off. Alright guys, I'm sorry I'm trying to do this with one hand here. Alright, there's your internals. I'm going to go ahead and plop this side panel right here. Right there. That's what the side panel on the side looks like. I don't know what the heck the previous owners did with that. But anyways, here is the WD hard drive, which I'm going to unplug right now and show you.
We do a startup video of that hard drive on our channel.
Yes, we do. And yes, guys, there is a Dell Dimension E310 video coming out, and it's going to be like 40 minutes long. And it's not using our professional style, and everyone's just saying over and over and again, so.
And the reason why it gets to be 40 minutes long is because we were installing videos.
Yup, and there was SATA driver issues, so. And the drive was not formatted. So anyways, guys, here is what your hard drive or your WD will look like if you get a brand new one straight from the Western Digital shop. Here's what it looks like. It's WD 5000 AZLX. It's a SATA 6 gigabits per second. This is SATA 3 or SATA 2, and it works. So anyways, 500 gigabytes. There's my drive. It was made in the 27th January 2020. This is a WD blue. Guys, we are going to go ahead and put this hard drive back in. This will be a little bit of a difficult process with one hand. Alright, so the drive caddy and the plugs are back in. So this is your CPU cooler. It's a Dell CPU cooler, and behind this is a very large fan. This is the power supply. It's a 305 watt Dell power supply. Here's the CMOS battery that we had to replace, if you guys can see that at all. I might be making the video brighter, so if I don't make the video brighter, just tell me and I might re-upload. Here is your Dell logo. If you could ever find the eBay listing for this, maybe I might even link it. This is where your optical drive would be, right here. This is the tag, which I don't know what that tag does. It's all dusty in there, if you guys can see it. When I was little, I used to always stick my head in there and smell it. So, yeah. Yes, guys, this probably will be brighter if you on the video. Over there's some PCI slots, and we're going to be doing a video on trying to fill those PCI slots in soon. And hint, hint, modem and sound card. Hint, hint. Anyways, there's your PCI Express above the PCI, and there's the PCI times 1, and then you have the PCI Express times 1, and then the PCI Express full. And I am planning on adding a graphics card in here at some point, but not now. Anyways, there's some extra SATA plugs. Your motherboard plug right there. have your 2 sticks of RAM, which are Samsung DDR2 667 megahertz RAM. There's the CMOS battery again. So that is the internals. Right here is the processor it has. AMD 64 Athlon dual core. This is a design for Windows XP and it works perfectly on Windows Vista. Little did you know this processor was like $800 in 2006. So, wonder how much people paid for this machine. Jeez. Oh, well, there's the internals. And if you guys want to know a little bit more on the monitor I'm using, it's an Acer monitor. This is actually used with our previous E521 right there. And these Logitech speakers, I just got them for free. This Logitech keyboard, it used to be my old keyboard, and the mouse is missing right now because my dad's using it. Anyways, if you want to see the behind, there's the back where all the cord messes. I try to make it very minimalistic up here so it's clean for the videos.
No.
And I like to keep the 521 clean as well for the videos so you guys don't look at a messy computer. There's the 64 sticker again. My icon, which I might redo for a Ryzen 5. Anyways, alright guys, the side panel is back on. If you liked or disliked today's video, please press the like button or the dislike button. We would like your feedback. If you like our content and you would like to see more, please subscribe. And if you would like to see more tech content or bus content, subscribe to Project 29 and PJ's Whatever Time. Thank you for watching.